manage employee leave requests and allocations. From here, access the Leave Management module to handle employee leave requests. Afterwards, click the Create Request button to initiate new leave request submissions. Here you can directly create a leave request for any employee, but the best way is for employees to submit it themselves from their login. You can then simply approve or reject it here. Afterwards, click the Bulk Allocate button to distribute leave allocations across multiple employees efficiently. Next, click the Add Type button to create a new leave type for your organization. Following that, click Manage Requests to view and handle all pending leave requests. Following this, click the Types tab to manage and configure leave types. Following this, click the Add Leave Type button to create a new leave type. Now enter the leave type name such as annual leave in this field. Next, enter a description for the leave type purpose and rules. Here, the accrual amount for the yearly accrual type is the total number of leave days an employee receives once every year. Add some hotspot text here. Here, max carry forward days refer to the maximum number of unused leave days that an employee can carry over to the next leave cycle. Here, max encashment days refers to the maximum number of unused leave days an employee can convert into a cash payout. After that, click the Create Leave Type button to save the new leave configuration. Following this, click the Edit button to modify the test leave configuration settings. Following that, click the Close button to dismiss the Create Leave Type dialog. Next up, click the Delete button to remove the test leave type configuration. Next, enter Test Leave in the confirmation field to verify the deletion action. Now, click the Delete Leave Type button to permanently remove this leave type from system. Click here. You can allocate the leave balance to all employees at once based on the leave type. Let's see how it works. Then click the Start Bulk Allocation button to begin allocating leave balances. From here, select the appropriate leave type from the drop-down menu options. Afterwards, select the Allocation Type drop-down to choose Fixed Amount Allocation Method. Here, enter the number of days you want to allocate for this leave type to all employees. For example, if you enter 12, then an employee can apply for this leave type only up to 12 days within the year. Next, select Roshan Lakhani's checkbox to add this employee to the allocation. After that, click the Allocate to 2 employees button to complete the leave allocation. Next, click the Employee Leave tab to view individual leave records. Then, click View Leave Balance to check the employee's current leave balance details. Next up, click the Close button to dismiss the Leave Balance Details dialog box. From here, click the Rec tab to view and manage all leave requests. From here, select a status filter to view leave requests by pending, approved, rejected, or canceled. Next, select a leave type from the drop-down menu to filter leave requests. As discussed, leave requests should be submitted by employees themselves after the leave allocation is done from the Allocation tab. Here you can see the list of all leave requests with approve and reject options. If any employee is unable to submit a request, you can add it from here. Let's check the demo. Next, select Nancy Ramirez or Roshan Lakhani from the Employee drop-down menu. Following that, select the appropriate leave type from the drop-down menu. Afterwards, select the From Date field to specify when the leave period begins. Next, enter the employee's phone number, email, or address so they can be contacted in case of an emergency. It's optional. From here, click the Create Request button to submit the leave application. Following this, click View Details to see the complete leave request information. After that, click the Approve button to authorize the leave request submission. Next up, enter your approval comments in the text area field and then click Approve Request. From here, click Approve Request to confirm and approve the leave request submitted by Nancy Ramirez. Then click the View Details button to access the complete leave request information. Next, click the employee's icon to view and manage employee leave records. Afterwards, click View Leave Balance to check the employee's leave balance information. Next up, click the Close button to dismiss the Leave Balance Details modal dialog. Finally, click the Overview button to access the Leave Management Dashboard and Analytics. Transform the way you work. The future starts now with Innovative HRMS. Book your free demo and connect with us today.